Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. This is Miss Sidra Iqbal, visiting teacher of the Department of History and Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Bank Road Campus, Lahore. I am here with the course title of Economic History of Pakistan, which program for the program of Masters of History, and its course code is HIST 4118. In the series of the Foreign Policy of Pakistan, we are at the Department of the Foreign Aid to discussing foreign aid and different aspects. Today we will continue our lecture. Foreign aid can alleviate hunger in populations hit by natural disasters and other crises and supply food to support people who live in poor countries as they rebuild after a crisis. Foreign aid can also be a payment for community organized work projects such as building farm to market road, water catchment, and terraced hillsides, improving management of natural resources and access to services and markets for rural communities. Secondly, meeting emergencies. Foreign aid helps Pakistan in emergencies. Whenever there is an earthquake, flood, or some other natural calamities, फॉरेन एड जो है वो हमेशा पाकिस्तान को इमरजेंसीज में हेल्प आउट करती है. जब भी कभी यहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक हो, सैलाब या कोई भी नेचुरल कैलामिटी होती है, फूड एड प्रोग्राम प्रोवाइड्स पाकिस्तान different type of food items such as wheat, dry milk, etc. Defense modernization. Pakistan wants to modernize its defense capabilities. Such can only be possible provided foreign aid is available. Modern fighter planes, F-16 and other modern warfare, the technology can only be secured with the help of foreign aid and loan, as Pakistan do not have sufficient foreign exchange. The finance this crucial requirement of the country. Increase in tax revenue. When foreign loan is utilized for establishment of industries and social overheads, then economic activities grow, foods and services are produced, foreign trade is increased. All these factors increase government's income through different tax sources. accelerating industrialization in underdeveloped countries. Since the end of the Second World War, the governments and peoples in richer countries of the world have become increasingly aware of economic problems of their poorer neighbors. Foreign aid from developed countries and international organization has become an important solution to the development of the human and material resources of these countries as the cure as the cure for the ills of underdevelopment. With its high degree of success held to be related to the high degree of foreign capital investment, foreign aid has already become a universal panacea in industrialization. Indeed, many developing countries have benefited from foreign aid. Establishment of modern economic and social infrastructure. Economy of a country cannot grow without the presence of economic infrastructure, i.e. availability of gas, power, transport and communication. Similarly, social infrastructure, education, training and health facilities is also essential. These infrastructure facilities require local and foreign capital, which is very limited in Pakistan. Foreign aid helps government to establish these infrastructures. When construction and other development activities are started in the country, these generate employment opportunities for the people. Level of technological in increases with the help of foreign aid, which is in the way of technical collaboration or project aid. Modern machines are used which produce super quality goods in greater numbers. Hence, by using goods of high quality, consumers are benefited. improving international relations. The humanitarian response of international community from foreign aid has improved international relations dramatically. Foreign aid would give a clear indication that developed countries considered closer ties with developing countries in their economic and strategic interests. In February 1978, a long-term technological and financial aids plan led to relations had a great change between China and Japan. Japan aid to China, relation with China 2009. Though this plan, China could receive equipment, technology, construction materials, and machine parts in return for coal and crude oil by free or low price. In response, Japan and China adopted strikingly complementary foreign policies. Before this plan, as a loyal ally of the United States, the Japanese government was committed to no recognition. PR China government, Japan aid to China, relation with China 2019. However, the plan of the agreement reflected the wish on both sides to improve relations. In April 1978, Senkaku in Senkaku Island, problem was developing momentum toward a resumption of peace treaty talks. Restraint on both sides led to an amicable resolution. Talks on the peace treaty were resumed in July. The Treaty of Peace and Friendship was signed on August 12 and came into effect October 23, 1978. Foreign loan foreign loan bridges saving gap and balance of payment. In Pakistan, due to low national income and poverty, per capita income is very low, hence rate of savings is very low. Low saving rate cannot help in capital formation and economic development. Similarly, imports are greater than exports. Therefore, there is always deficit in balance of payment. Foreign loan aid not only bridge domestic saving gap but also help in overcoming balance of payment problem. Development requirements are met. Pakistan wants to develop agriculture, industry, power and natural resources of the country, but due to lack of foreign exchange, required technology could not be imported. Foreign aid and loan facilities help government to import the required technology and basic raw material with which different sectors of economy can develop, and due to utilization of modern machines productivity is enhanced. Thus productivity of various sectors of economic increases. Challenges faces Pakistan. Pakistan has faced a significant problem in corruption, and it has been detrimental to the country's economic, political, and foreign aid standing. This corruption and a lack of transparency has been viewed as a key obstacle to the effective implementation of US foreign aid in Pakistan. Foreign aid creates poverty, though economic institutions that systematically block the incentives and opportunities of poor people to make things better for themselves, their neighbor, and their country, state that aid tends to delay the development of business and Africa. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime.